guys, I ordered fish soup and surprisingly it has so guys, nag-crave ako ng sabaw na isda. Ang gara nila dito, hiwala yung separate yung isda sa sabaw, pero ang sarap. So yung soup nila, it has carrot, zucchini, and then tomato and onion. It's very tasty. Yum yum. With yellow rice.
Yum.
Guys, yung boyfriend mong pagkakita niya sa fish, sabi niya, ibigay mo sa dog. Dog.
Oh, dog. Oh.
The head of the fish is for dog, but for Filipino people it's ulam na, right guys? Sure ko lang. Super ganda talaga dito sa restaurant na to guys. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko dito sa Cebu. As usual, his favorite, the zucchini sticks. And the zucchini pies. Spinach. Not zucchini. Yum yum. Spinach pie. Yum yum yum. Sorry, my love. It's really the sauce. Super yum yum. Guys, look at this zucchini stick with feta cheese. The best ever.